Welcome to the vibrant world of MRF Paints. EezeeWood 2-in-1 is a single-pack solvent-based PU wood finish specially designed for interior and exterior applications, combining UV and stain resistance with unmatched durability, best-in-class protection for indoor and outdoor wood surfaces. This durable finish enhances the natural grain of wood while ensuring long-lasting beauty against harsh weather conditions. Its solvent-based formula guarantees excellent performance in a refined, stylish appearance. EezeeWood 2-in-1 is a perfect blend of style and practicality for interior and exterior wood finishes. Add a touch of sophisticated style to side tables, tea tables, windows, corner shelves and more with the DIY-friendly EezeeWood 2-in-1. It's the perfect way to make your interior and exterior stand out. Available in both glossy and matte finishes. EezeeWood 2-in-1 best-in-class finish on indoor and outdoor wood surfaces. Dry brush and dust the surface area. Choose a dust-free, moisture-free surrounding, preferably a closed area for painting. To achieve the best results, avoid painting in direct sunlight and high humid environments. Dry brush and dust the painting area thoroughly for the best output. Now it's time to sand the surface. Please ensure sanding in the direction of the wood grain. Start with 80 grit sandpaper and gradually work your way up through 120, 150, 180 and 220. Once sanding is complete, thoroughly dry brush the surface to remove any dust and prepare it for the next step. Apply the first coat of EezeeWood 2-in-1 Exterior-Interior Sealer Clear. Ensure to use thinner 3834 with an intake volume of 10% to 15% for optimal results. And allow it to dry for 16 hours. Now it's time to take a step back and commence the process of sanding the surface with number 220 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing for a superb effect. Initiate the process of stain application in the specified form and format. Then wait for 10 minutes. It's the perfect time to commence the process of sanding the surface with number 400 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing. Apply the second coat of EezeeWood 2-in-1 Exterior-Interior Sealer Clear. And allow it to dry for 16 hours. Once again, commence the process of sanding the surface with number 400 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing. As we progress towards the ultimate stages, apply the third coat of EezeeWood 2-in-1 Exterior-Interior Sealer Clear. And wait for 16 hours. Now it's time for top coat application. Apply the EezeeWood 2-in-1 Glossy Clear or Matte Clear as the first top coat. Ensure to use thinner 3834 with an intake volume of 10% to 15% for the best results. EezeeWood 2-in-1 can be applied even by using brush. And allow it to dry for 16 hours. Yes, it's time to say 600. Commence the process of sanding the surface with number 600 grit sandpaper, followed by dry brushing. Carefully apply the second coat of EezeeWood 2-in-1 Glossy Clear or Matte Clear. Patiently wait for 16 hours for mesmerizing results to take shape. Following due processes diligently ensures superior outcomes and wonderful outputs. Always remember MRF Paints, which are synonymous with class, style and sophistication.